Hello children. Let us name farm animals. Do you see all these animals? We are going to name all of them. Let us start.
A cat. A dog. A cow. A goat. A sheep. A hen. A goose. A donkey. A rabbit. A horse. A pig.